everyone? Got a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery.
First thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Now if we turn it over like this, on the left side there's a button here. We're going to push with our thumb and then we can pull out the emergency key. Okay, so this key here is used to unlock the driver's door if you need to. Now what we're going to do is look at the bottom of it. All right, and right here at the bottom, this slot here on the far off is for the emergency key. It goes all the way in right here. What we're working with is this slot next to it. Okay, so we use a flathead screwdriver. So we're going to stick it in here. Now you can turn this, if your screwdriver is big enough, you can turn this and crack this open, or you can pry it open, because we're looking at taking this back cover off. Okay, so I'll just give it a little bit of a pry and I'll open it right up. All right, and here's our battery right here. If we look, there's a slot right here that we're going to stick the screwdriver in. Okay, and we're going to stick it as far in as we can. All right, these batteries can be a little tricky to get out there and they're really tight, so put the screwdriver in as far as you can, and you need a screwdriver that fits right in that slot pretty good. Okay, stick it as far as you can in there and then just go ahead and pry the battery out. We'll get the new battery and I'll show you what size the battery is. All right, here's our new battery. It's a CR2450 battery. If you need one, check the description box. I'm going to have the size and the part number there. All right, so we just stick this back in here like this, and then we get the back cover and we're just going to drop it on here and then lock it in. Emergency key goes back in and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you in another video.